Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 67 Mustang Fastback. 5-speed, custom suspension. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out all that custom suspension. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna look it all over. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. She is sharp. Paint's looking good, chrome's looking great. GT500 driving lights in the grille looking awesome. The car is amazing. The restoration on it is over the top. Like I said earlier, custom suspension underneath it. Beautiful driver. All the lines are lining up good. Looks like it's got brand new magnums on it, brand new tires. Emblems look good, rocker molding looks great, all the stainless looks good, paint work on the roof is looking sweet, doors opening nice and smooth, door jambs nicely painted, door panels in good shape. It's got the Shelby style steering wheel on it, 5-speed shifter, stock interior looking like it's brand new, fold down back seat. Headliner looks good, trim there all around that back window looking awesome. And check out the dash pad and the gauges. Everything looks brand new. Just an amazing build on this little Mustang. Quarter panel's nice and straight. Chrome on the back bumper looking good. Now the surrounds on the taillights look like they may be original to the car. They're in beautiful shape, 1967. This thing's almost as old as me. Inside the trunk here, we got a battery shut off here on the battery box. Everything's finished off nice and neat in here. The gutters here around the deck lid opening are nice and clean. These are all things I look at when I go out and look at cars. When you look down the side of it, straight as can be. Door fits good. Here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Mustang. Right now, we have a little over 215 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of them here at Vanguard, so I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, here we go, Mustang time. She's got some horsepower too. 5-speed transmission, great sounding exhaust, Shelby steering wheel, beautiful dash, driving no hands. This thing's ready to go, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, Vanguard Motor Sales, we can help you out with financing also. Just takes about 15 minutes on the phone, no problem whatsoever. Banker will set you all up and you are ready to go. You see everything looking beautiful here. Now, Tommy will take care of everything you need. All you got to do is make that phone call to Tom. We'll do all the paperwork. We'll get the car sent out to you right away. Everything you're looking for in a Mustang is right here, guys. 5-speed, driving anywhere, beautiful red paint job. Now, we're real close to the airport. We do sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so they go out to people's driveways. But we do love to have customers come in and check out the cars in We do love to have the customers come out and check out the cars in person, and we're real close to the airport, so if you need to fly out, no problem whatsoever. You want to drive out on a Saturday, we're here on Saturdays. You want to send out a personal inspector, no problem. We will treat the inspector just like we treat you. You can take the car out for a ride, get it up on the lift, whatever you want. Now, if you have an area of the car you'd like a specific picture or close-up of, call Tom, we'll get it for you. Now, Tom can answer just about any question about this car, so give him a call anytime. He always answers his phone. He answers it 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. If that man is awake, he will answer his phone. We get to go through the gears again. Funnest part about this thing is shifting gears. Listen to that horsepower. Nothing better than a Mustang, guys. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the engine compartment. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. We're coming up on our shop now. And don't forget, we do have over 200 cars in stock and about 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. So if you are gonna come out and visit, give Tom a heads up so we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front. We might have to move a few around to get your favorite car up front so we can get at it real nice and easy. Here we are at 15100 Keel Street. Now stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Mustang now, and you can see all nice and beautiful under here. We got a brand new tank, brand new exhaust, drop downs look good. Got an aftermarket rear suspension here with coilovers, all bolting right up to the stock location here, to the frame, to the where the spring pockets are. It's got frame ties on it, just everything looking great. This aftermarket housing, it's got right around a 373 gear in it, and it is posi. Coilover, Ride Tech's holding it up. Real nice job on the floors here. They've got them all sealed up real nice. Exhaust up here is also new. We got our 5-speed trans up front here. We got jet-coated headers. And then all this suspension up front here too, all aftermarket stuff, looking great. We had it up on the alignment rack. My alignment guy said it's awesome stuff to work with. Willwood brakes up front. We do have disc up front, and there is disc in the back also. Good looking wheels and tires on it, brand new Magnums, brand new TA BFGs, 205 6015s up front. Rocker molding looks good. And then out back here, we have got, let's see, 245 6015s out back here. Now let's get under the hood and see what's making power. All right, we're under the hood here. We got 302 power, Edelbrock intake on there. Looks like a Holley Carb sitting on there with electric choke, dual feed, Motorsports valve covers. It's got great looking coated headers. We've got extra bracing here in the shock towers. Polished up aluminum radiator. It does have the Willwood master cylinder on it for the brakes. It is manual steering. We got beautiful paint here on the inner wheelhouses and on the firewall and on the bottom side of the hood. Looks like the turn signals in the hood are also hooked up. We got driving lights on here. The car is amazing, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.